Hi, sorry, because there was some short circuit in the office power trip, so we lost connection due to that. Okay, let me just reshare the screen. Okay, so hope everyone is able to now see the screen because there was a sudden thing. So, are you able to hear me and see the
Yeah,
screen?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay, great, great, because there was a sudden change in the power, so we were also not sure. Okay, so see, straight away it is negative. Okay, then let's see what can be done now. Okay, so which is increasing and Bank Nifty is down, Nifty is also down. Okay, we have few negative views on Asian Paint as well. Okay,
Oh,
let's see that. We're still on. Okay, so Asian Paint is trying to be around 40 and trying to make a hammer around 40. Okay, so let's see that. Uh, TCS was also negative in for us, and it is right now going towards that. Okay, so mainly sideways. Dr. Reddy is also trying to make a green candle at 40. So it's just first 3 minutes, and there is a huge development here as well. Reliance stayed at a negative, and we had a view for it for 2050, right? So if it comes till 2050 and bounces from that, we'll have to see on that. Main Unilever is also in mid of it and trying to make a green candle on a doji right now. And the Bank Nifty is at 40 support, at price support on 15 minutes. So we need to see what it does here now. Okay, so it's also at price support by the way, and 40 as well. Okay. 15 minutes at 40 support. Okay. Let's see put. Put is around 60 and upper band. Let's see call now. Okay, so call are falling below 40, but let's see. In 5 minutes, it is around 27 and band opening. Okay, okay. Top bottom 0%. Reliance trigger बोलिए. बैंक निफ्टी अभी वाले 290 हाँ 290 229 सर. हाँ 247 दिन. Okay, 40 support ऊपर छः. This is around 40 support right now. If it bounces, we might see something. This can be one thing that can be traded. But it's just 6 minutes right now from this 15 minutes candle. Okay, I would like to trade this if this remains around this level till 6, say 925. I would go long on Bank Nifty. Okay, because Bank Nifty right now is showing 40 support and it's already bouncing 40 points from where we were thinking to buy it, right? So I would wait for it because this is still, just 6 7 minutes into the candle. Okay, so let it be. If it was around 925, I would have surely taken this trade at around say 390, 395, and from that, see, it is already giving me 1,000 points. So 40 uh, points on Bank Nifty is 1,000 rupees, right? Profit. And that's why I went to see calls, but calls were not at 40 support at that time. So now they are trying to be there, and this is something huge. They opened at 600. I don't believe this. हाँ, इतना फोन 600 पे ओपन किया कॉल को,
कौन सा था?
24,500 वो 600 इज द ओपन हाई सेम।
वो ऐसे ही क्यों करते? वो
तो
तो
ऐसे किसी ने फेंका प्राइस खाली।
तो
Okay. Hi everyone, this is the view from the office.
देखता नहीं जवाब सूरज में ठीक है।
Uh, okay, so I will now close it because I don't know what is the issue with the power actually.
लोकेशन होता है।
Okay, so now let's wait. If it comes down, little down, and it's around 40, this can be bought with today's lower stop loss. Okay, see, it is also at price support, right? So this was where it was also supported earlier. See, closer bottom here, and then it had a rise. Okay, and this was a breakout on Friday as well after the fall, and it was where it took support. And the trend line breakout and trend line support and going up. The same thing you can see today, price support as well and 40 support as well. So this is a critical level in Bank Nifty by the way. Okay, 24,400, 24,500. This needs to be maintained if we want to go higher. Okay, so it's critical spot right now, and we are right now in the critical area for it. So let's see what it does here. Maruti is going up. So Maruti is around 60 resistance and still it is trying to be there. So daily, if you look at it, daily is around 60. Okay, so we need to see what it does, and this is the price resistance as well. Okay, so we might see Maruti coming up till almost 70 to 19. So I think when it comes there, top bottom ways, we will update you something on it. Okay, because it's already giving us more than 20,000 right now. Our entry is 6918, right, and it is already 7144. So you can drag the candle you want to see the RSI off till the end like this. Okay, so it is 82.29 and this is 82 right now. Okay, 82, 83. So I just want to see is there a 5 hour bearish divergence getting formed between these two candles. Okay, that is my interest and that's why I'm looking towards these two candles now. So let the first 15 minutes be over and then we might see multiple setups. The Asian Paint straight away goes down. And it's also around 37 and see here there is a price support also for Asian Paint. Okay, so this is where it might take some support. If it doesn't, then it will break down. Okay, then it may come down to this level 2081. The Reliance has gone down. Okay. See, it has also gone down quite. Let's see on daily chart where can we put some. Oh, okay. So here it is having some support at the price itself. So 2080 is anyways a good support for it, and the second support will be 2050. Okay, so if 80 is broken, it will be going down till 50. Reliance VRR is forming a doji around 40, so this can be also a potential trade. Let's see. ECS is also around 47, so I don't think any trade in the next candle as well. So ECS can be avoided. But I think Maruti we need to be watchful because that is one where we might see some bearishness or maybe bad walk. So see here it is the resistance around 7150 levels, and we are seeing that it has been respected once. It's not just a walkthrough. And now let's see whether it goes below 82. Still 2 minutes. 82.29 is the RSI of this candle. Hello, sir. So let's see now whether we are able to get it here. So okay, see it's now 82, 81. Okay, so this is giving us an opportunity for shorting. Let's see that. So 35, 7135. See, the close is already higher. Okay, you cannot expect this now. This is 7103. This is 7130. Right, so there is almost a 27 points difference between them. And now the RSI is showing divergence. But since it is above the band, you should not short it right away. Okay, you should wait for it before you start shorting it because it's already above the band. Okay, so you need to now draw a trend line. If it breaks, that is where you enter into the short trade. So now it will be below this. Your entry should be there. There has been still 22.28. Now it is not there. Okay, now see, see 82.29 is the RSI here. Okay, so this RSI is now higher than 82.29. So price higher, RSI higher. So there is nothing here now. Okay, so now there is no bearish divergence here. So avoid this now. We tried to make, but it bounced back. So now forget this, and we can now see Bank Nifty what it has done. Still around 40 support. Okay, and the low of today is 360. Right now it is around 393. So this can be one trade if you want. You can take this with today's low as stop loss. So we can put 350 as stop loss. Okay, so you can do this. So 390 is where we are buying it. Okay, let it be. It's going down now. So good, we have not yet bought. Trying to make a doji here. It's okay if you buy it around 390. Okay, so I'm going to buy it at 390 now. It comes, I'll hold it. It is there now. Okay, and we'll keep 350 as the stop loss. It's just 40 points. See, my main reason to enter into the trade is we are at price support here and we are at RSI support also. Okay, so there are two reasons why I am buying it at this price. See, right now the resistance is the lower band. If we are able to cross this 410 mark, okay, we might see it around 450. This is the level where it should be the next. or else there is a stop loss already of 350 that we have thought of. So the lower band needs to be crossed. That's it. So let's wait for it. So around 30 now. It's time to now pull up. So new high for this candle so far. So our target is achieved. Okay, so 50 was already there. So we're now going to get out of this, or you can keep a PSL. So it's already now up 505. So we booked 100 points. So this is good enough, right? So have you seen this? See, 5 minutes we got 100 points in Bank Nifty, right? So this is how the system works, and see, this is where you would have not thought of buying this at around this levels when it was falling in the first 15 minutes. We thought of buying it at this level because the system is supporting it. And remember one thing which I said yesterday also: the first time anything will happen, it will be rewarded. And this was the first 40 support for today, and it has been rewarded. Okay, so this is where you should have traded, and see, this is where we got this particular profit in the day. So this is the first, I think, within the first 20 minutes, around 2,400, 500 is the profit, right? So this is what you get. If anybody is still holding, can put 100 points buffer as the stop loss. Okay, so at least you should book now 100 points on this. Okay, so it's still moving higher. So first target of this, second target is 20 MA, and it is already touched 20 MA as well. Okay. So though we had a late start, okay, so I can say I had a punctured tire. I got, some shots in the office AC, and still, we were able to trade something in the first 20 minutes. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का खर्चा निकल गया, पता नहीं इलेक्ट्रिशियन कितना ले गया अभी. पंचर का तो निकल गया, इतना तो है. Now wait and watch for the second trade if we get. See, Maruti is looking weaker, but see, it has been supported at the trend line. See the trend line we drew? It's right now taking support there. But it's between the roof here and the support here. So the distance between roof and support has decreased a lot. So we need now a breakout for it. 20 mm. So it has 30 mm and 20 mm is playing as the role of resistance right now. And this was the support line. So you need to understand the support lines. If these are drawn correctly in your charts, they will really help you to get into a trade at a very lower thing. See, when we entered, the risk was just 40 points. Okay, so you need to think of such entries in your trading where your risk is going to be minimal and you get at least 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2.5 type of uh, profit. See, now I don't mind if it is going to be, sideways throughout. So this can be now the range for the day. Okay, the first 15 minutes low and high. In between that, we might just roam around. Okay, so this can be now the range for the day till we have a breakout on either side. And one thing that I will just like to tell everyone is, if you are trading intraday, you should trade it with the logic of intraday. Okay, the target should be kept for intraday purpose. You cannot expect, a daily your bigger targets when you are trading with 15 minutes chart. Okay, the main problem is people say that we took really good entry, but we didn't got the rewards because they take a good entry on 15 minutes, but they're actually looking out for results as if you want 4 to 5% gain on a 15 minutes candle. That is not possible. Okay, then you need to take a bigger risk where you have to see daily candles or weekly candles for such type of trades.
That is not possible in a wrong statement. That is not always possible. No, all the
So see, Hero MotoCorp is almost towards the target. Okay, only 60 points away now. So even yesterday we told that it is looking weak, and see the weaker start has started. First candle, and now the first candle low has also been broken. Okay, so Hero MotoCorp, our target is 3,000 and we shot it around 30 to 50. So it's already 200 points in the money for us, and 200 points with 60,000, right? So it's looking good, good shot. I know there is Vishesh who's going to kick himself because he got out. He's there on the call as well. But that is part and parcel, Vishesh. Don't worry. We have many other trades, right? Big time. Yeah, I can understand that. And it's okay. You'll get another trade. So right now there is a similar setup on Asian Paints. So let's wait for Asian Paints also to go down. Let's see, the other LNT was in news for many people, right? It did had a gap up opening. Okay, right now at first 60 support. Okay, so this can be another trade if anybody wants to take it. Okay, we can trade with this low as stop loss, or maybe 944 can be a stop loss. 49.50 is where it is right now, so you can buy it at the current price. Okay, because it's also at support out here. See, it's the first 60 support. Okay, so it can be support here as well. It's 64 right now. Okay, I would have bought it if it was around 62, around 48. If you buy and keep even 41 as support, I think that is fine. Stop loss should be this. So this looks good. Oh, Ultra Chem has got bullish divergence as well. See this. This is 33.15 and this is 33.92. So price is lower, RSI is higher, and we are getting confirmation on the bullish divergence as well. Okay, so almost the bullish divergence confirmed, and here it is. So 4515 can be the stop loss if you want to trade this. And you can expect the target to be around 15 points, 17 points here. The second target can be 55 around this level. And at 40 support also. So it's also saying a range shift. Okay. So let's wait for 3 more minutes what it is doing here. So Ultratech is showing good signs. So this has gone range bound है ना. इसको छोड़ दो अभी अभी पुट पे देखेंगे अगर 60 40 सपोर्ट पे है तो नहीं है कहीं पे भी नहीं है पुट इज नॉट देयर टू बी बॉट. ओके पुट में कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है कॉल क्या कर रहा है. तो कॉल आर आल्सो रेजिस्टिंग एट दिस लेवल. तो ये लाइन ड्रॉप करके रखेंगे ना तो अपने लिए अच्छा पड़ता है. अब ये पूरा हफ्ता यही होने वाला है तो इस पर लाइन ड्रॉ करके रख देते हैं. ओके see this was the resistance that is where it opened. So it opened only at resistance and then the entire fall is there. ये भाई साहब क्या कर रहे हैं. ये भाई साहब 44 पे है तो अभी ये साइडवेज रहेगा आज ताकि ये 40 और इसके बीच में खेलेगा. मारुति क्या बोलता है. See Maruti is still there and trying to be here, trying to be above the banks. Okay and see this is where it took support as well. इधर दो लाइन है एक लाइन इधर कर सकते हैं. पर टीसीएस एकदम हरा भरा कैसे हो गया. हाँ वो भी 40 सपोर्ट से गया और 60 पे रेजिस्ट भी कर दिया. अरे ये नहीं देगा कितना देखेंगे हम लोग. So this was one more short trade here at TCS. So it's a shooting star here with good volumes. इसका हाई अब तक किसी ने छुआ नहीं है.
55 minutes bullish range shift futures.
So now we need either this to cross 60 or resist 60, either or. But it can be a good short trade as well. Let's see, this is the now. See ये थोड़ा डाइसियर है क्योंकि ये 60 इधर है और बॉलिंजर बैंड ऊपर है. ये बॉलिंजर बैंड थोड़ा नीचे रहता तो ना इसके लेवल पे तो शॉर्ट करने में भी मजा आता था. But now we'll have to wait के whether it resists the Bollinger Band and goes above, then it will be a band walk with 60 support. Okay, ये डाइसियर कंडीशन कर दिया इसने. ये अभी थोड़ा रुलाएगा अपने को तो हम ट्रेड ही नहीं लेंगे. See this was the support line where it took actually support today. So now ये बड़ा रेंज है TCS का आज. Okay, so mainly if it is around this and 40 support it can be buy and here it can be a short. Okay, with 2705 as your stop loss because ये देखो 2704.85 ये कैंडल का हाई है. रिलायंस तो गया अभी इसको नीचे तक जाने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता. यू माइट सी 2050 ना on Reliance. So it's a bigger band walk with opening of bands as well.
इसके टाइमिंग को क्या यूज कर 5 minutes bullish range shift. Plus one already up. Setup अपन
Okay. See, Bank Nifty on 5 minutes also had bullish range shift here. See, I'm just showing you something. So this was the first 40 support. After it broke 40 crossover, where we traded, and see this is where we exited also. And then see when it came down at first 40, it took support here. So this was a good buy.
Maybe exchange is part of T2, so they will then know they can account.
Okay, so this is again a good trade on RSI, and one of the concept of RSI which is called as bullish range shift. Okay, and this bullish range shift is basically part of the 2 days RSI trading, which is simply indicators. So now if you see this, it is between 39 में and this. So see normally 5 मिनट का तो आप 40 पॉइंट लेके निकल जाना चाहिए. 5 मिनट वाला ट्रेड ज़्यादा नहीं टिकना चाहिए. See it was giving you from 40 or 35 to almost 90. 50 पॉइंट मिला और क्या चाहिए. You got 1200 rupees. Okay, 1250 is the maximum that you are getting on 5 minutes. 5 minutes में ज़्यादा रुकना नहीं चाहिए. So for intraday, two time frames you can adapt to. One is 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Okay, and you can see first trade was taken on 15 minutes. Second trade, though we have not taken, it was there on 5 minutes. Okay, खाली एक चीज में I see because we are trying to show you multiple trades and how it will work. Okay, I'm not sticking only to one instrument which is Bank Nifty today. Okay, normally if you just stick to one thing also, on the entire day you get 4 to 5 such trades where you can easily make 1,000 to 1,200 points in one trade. Okay, so which gives you almost 5,000 6,000 rupees, and that also not with much of your investment. Okay, so you need to trade smart and trade like a trader rather than कि मैं 5,000 डालता हूँ, वो 5,000 का 5,000 हो जाएगा तभी निकलूंगा. नहीं, वो लालच है. वो 5 का 5 कोई होता नहीं है. आप 5 का 1,000 कमाओ और उसमें से निकलो 20%. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट योर एम शुड बी. ओके, शेयर मार्केट को बदनाम इसके लिए किया गया कि पब्लिक को लगता है दिन में पैसा डबल होता है इधर. वो मत सोच के आओ इधर, वो नहीं होने वाला है. ओके, जिसने भी किया है ना उनका पैसा वैसे गया भी है. ओके, this is somewhere why it is getting registered. Okay, so still today we can see this getting hit. आज के दिन 619 एक बार दिखा सकता है. 619 620 अपर बैंड तक भी एक बार आ सकता है अगर ये ब्रेकआउट आया तो वी कैन ट्रेड इट. ओके, अबाउ दिस कैंडल्स हाई, this can be a trade here. So let's see if it comes back to 40 around. It can be traded with that as your target. So this is a bigger trend line, and that trend line is touching this. तो एक बार इधर तक छूने के लिए आ सकता है ये. साथ साथ में फिर ये भी देखा जा सकता है. कॉल्स अगर 40 क्रॉस करते हैं तो you can enter onto the call side as well. See, this is trying to cross 40, yeah, and trying to be above the band now. Even calls are trying to help us. Let's see if they get into. Okay, right now it is at 40 resistance. We need it to cross 40. ECS अभी भी और ऊपर जाते हुए, लेकिन अपर बैंड और रेजिस्टेंस दोनों है उधर. लेट्स सी व्हाट इट डज देयर. जो लोग मेरे साथ नॉर्मली लाइव में रहते हैं उनको मालूम है. दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द फेवरेट स्टॉक जिसमें आराम से 10 रुपये मिल जाता है. 8 से 10 रुपये इसमें इजीली मिलता है. तो यू गेट अराउंड 2,500 से 3,000 इसमें भी. लेट्स वेट फॉर इट. ये अगर बैंड वॉक चालू करेगा तो बाय करेंगे. इधर जाके अगर रेजिस्ट करेगा तो शॉर्ट करेंगे. Okay, let's see what it does. See, Asian Paint is still going down. Okay, then we are seeing Asian Paint going down, and that was the analysis also on the weekly analysis yesterday. So this can be seen as it, but it might have three-bar bullish divergence. So let's see what is the RSI of this candle first. 36.49. Okay. Finally, there is nothing. C crosses 40 RSI. Yeah, but we'll have to now see where it stops. Where it is. So ये रहा C 42 क्रॉस करता हुआ 360 का मार्क है और यहाँ पे ये रेजिस्टेंस है. Mainly the approach is sideways right now. So let's see. Nifty is also at 40 support by the way. So Nifty is also at 40 support. So any Nifty trader can trade it as well. If anyone wants to trade Nifty with 11885 as your stop loss. 15 पॉइंट नीचे स्टॉप लॉस है आप लोग का. Okay, because this is the support line. So 885 can be taken as your stop loss and you can trade this as at 40 support. See this. And above this it might fly. Then 920 and 935 can be the two levels that you can then get along. It's not sustaining much. That's why I'm just waiting. Look at the rally. Actually, puts are coming back to 40 support. Okay, that's why I'm not much keen on buying right now. C is also getting struggling right now at this levels. This levels has to be in place because this is your key resistance. Okay, see this was the support broken down with दया कैंडल जो हम दया कैंडल बोलते हैं T1 में. तो ये दया कैंडल है. Okay, you can see a very huge red candle with volumes, and now to cross this candle or half of this candle, okay, would be difficult, but half के लिए अपने लिए अच्छा है. यहाँ से यहाँ तक है 100 पॉइंट का मूवमेंट है. ये 100 पॉइंट अपने को 50 में मिलेगा तो वी आर हैप्पी. ओके, बट लेट्स इट मूव दैट मच. क्योंकि अभी फिलहाल तो ये लाइन को ही वो रेजिस्ट कर रहा है. तो एक ये लाइन है और एक ये लाइन है. ये दो लाइन अपना लक्ष्मण रेखा है. So we actually need those two close about this. And there will be small candles now. There is nothing momentum wise in the market. So it might just do sideways like this and kill the time. That's it. क्या हुआ? So this is still looking on the side of short, but it's now showing some resistance even for the first high it made. Okay, उसके ऊपर भी नहीं गया ये. So let's see what TCS is also up to because it's still around resistance. Convincing cross नहीं किया है इसने और वॉल्यूम ये कैंडल से भी लोअर है. सच बोलो तो दिल तो कर रहा है इसको शॉर्ट करने के लिए. 2705 का स्टॉप लॉस डाल के छोड़ देना चाहिए. Let's wait for it, because अगर 62 के ऊपर ये कैंडल क्लोज होता है, then it can come till this easily. The 62 is a good level if it crosses. Check LNT also. LNT is again at 60 support or a make or a break now. Okay, so this is where it is, and this is the hammer bar low. So this breaks, we might see it coming up till here. Yeah, so LNT is looking similar thing. It's breaking 60 and going down. So if you want, you can short it with 51.85 or 52 as your stop loss. It's going to be 5 points stop loss, and you might get around similar points downside, because uh, 42 can be your first target. That is the gap. Okay, but I would resist, because you are going to go against the trend of gap. Okay, this entire gap up is the support level. Okay, this is entirely support. So if you are shorting it at this level, okay, we want the gap to be closed today, but that means we are going against the trend. Okay, so when there are few trades which are along the trend, why go a contra trend, right? And there is no divergence here. Okay, so it's no, exactly, there is a divergence also. Okay, so it's a perfect end setup actually. If you look at it, okay, it's here. Okay, if you look at this price and the RSI here and the RSI here, okay, yeah. But then the breakout is, and this is the target actually. First target is this. So 42 जो बोला 42 का ही target है. Okay. इसका आइडियल स्टॉप लॉस आज का हाई होता है जो मैं नहीं रखना चाहता. Okay. And the second can be around 52. It's an end setup actually. See this went up, but it closed here. RSI is lesser compared to the RSI here. It's a clear that there is divergence. And now, see, it is at 60 support. I'm trying to be at 60 support. If it breaks 60, okay, it can come down till 42. There is a bearish divergence here, but right now it is at 60 support. Okay, so I would avoid this. It's a googly. Okay, between this candle and this candle, there is bearish divergence. Yeah, TTML actually has got some news in it because they are selling land, right? So even Tata Communication is running up. It's not only Tata Teleservices, even Tata Communication is moving up. And Tata Communication once was a very good trade for us. Yeah, DRR looks okay, but see, it's okay at 60 as well as at price resistance. Okay, so we need it to cross above it. Okay, I would go for a short rather than buy on this. But wait and watch, because DRR also moves both sides. Okay, but this is where 75 का stop loss रख के, if you have to short it, you can short it rather than buying it. See, it is resisting 60. See this. It's not a band walk. So do not get fooled with the candle just above it. Okay, see, currently it is giving 10 rupees on the downside. 67 or 50 तो आ गया already. Okay. See, you need to know where the Nifty is right now, right? निफ्टी के साथ साथ चलोगे तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. Now let's see this. So it is still around this. It is at 40, but see, still around this. Not able to cross this. ये लाइन के ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है. So now we can clearly see TCS where is at resistance. Okay, it didn't cross this level which you were expecting, 2705. Yeah, TCS resisted. But see, it is taking support at 20 mm and bouncing back. One-sided नहीं जा रहा है. The main thing is it got some pullback from the day's low in the first 15 minutes. इसके लिए थोड़ा टाइम ये अभी रेंज रहेगा उसके लिए. Play around with this range now. The TCS is going to be range bound. Even Bank Nifty is in a range bound. Okay, वो जो हमारा फर्स्ट ट्रेड हो गया वो हो गया. उसके बाद देखो एक भी ट्रेड नहीं आया उसमें. Okay, so on 15 minutes if you look at it, there has been no trade. So that's why I was not even in the mood to buy any of the options also. See, options maybe there is no buying. Though it was around support here and it just tended to move above the band. Okay, ये लाइन में बचा लिया. लक्ष्मण रेखा अपने पास होनी चाहिए. So Maruti has come down. So Maruti has broken. See, this was a good trade actually. ये miss किया मैंने. Maruti का भी देखा नहीं. See, it resisted at the trend line. Trend line got broken and Doji had trend line resistance. Okay, so this was a good trade and then we should have shorted with this as the stop loss, which is 7130. And right now it is at 67, so 60 पे आ सकता है ये support लेने के लिए, which can be around this levels. अभी ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगा इसमें. यहाँ पे अच्छा था. So it is coming to the 85 level. So this is around 20 points here. ये मिल जाता था अपने को. So 30 points right now. This candle size is 30 points. I missed this. हम लोगों ने मेहनत भी किया, ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रा करके भी रखा, लेकिन वी आर लुकिंग इनटू समथिंग एल्स. इसके लिए बोला ना कि किसी भी एक चीज को पकड़ के रखेंगे ना तो भी लॉस हो जाता है. यू विल गेट गुड इनफ. So this is making a doji right now at 60 resistance and upper band resistance. तो अभी ये क्या करेगा ना मालूम नहीं है. 50-50. See, broken 60. That's why I said do not trade something without conviction because ये ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए था. ज़्यादा ऊपर में क्लोज होता था तो बात अलग कर दी. This is just a near breakout and this can act as sub resistance. Bank Nifty likely to make one more attempt to go down, may remain range bound. Yeah, it may be range bound only. That is what is my view as well. Okay, so see, it's made another attempt to cross this, but it might come till here. So this is my another target for it. Now trying to cross this. Here, let's see. Calls can be bought actually. Looking good now. Come around the range, you should have it. The first doji है ये हाई क्रॉस करना चाहिए 408 वाला हाई क्रॉस करना चाहिए hmm. 529 520 oh. That is where it is getting resisted on the two moving averages. So there is pressure on it from two moving averages right now. Okay, 39 and 20 both are trying to merge here. And mainly 13 is trying to cross on the downside. Then we'll have to wait for it because this can be a dead crossover as well. So wait for it. Hmm. So if we buy this right now, the stop loss is going to be a low of this candle, which is 366 or 365. Okay, so 360 can be also kept as your stop loss, which is the lower band. अरे अभी क्यों बढ़ रहा है अभी? You want it to be around 10-15 में एक movement आना चाहिए. I'm just waiting for that movement around. ये भाई भाग गया है.
570 तक जाएगा, 580
580 तक जाएगा हाँ.
15 मिनट के लिए होल्ड कर, आगे के लिए
इसमें मूवमेंट नहीं आ रहा है इसमें. कॉल में इतना मूवमेंट नहीं आ रहा है लोग. 29
बात है ना 30
let's keep it. If it comes, we can trade it at least. So around 385 kept it. Let's see if it comes. No, there is no scanner for stock selection, but we do weekly analysis based on indices and stocks. So on that basis, you can trade it. So there are no scanners as such for it. Okay, so we got it at 385. Okay, and we can keep the stop loss also. 360 should be the ideal stop loss. Okay, so I'll keep it after the candle is over. Okay, still 2 minutes for the candle. So 385, so 25 points is the risk that we have taken in this trade right now. Hmm. So now the thing should start for us. Let's see. So normally there is one movement which is expected around 10:15 or 10:30. Okay, so either side there can be one movement, and now it's okay coming down. Let's wait. OI. I don't see OI and all, so for me it is not mainly on the side. Okay, so for me main thing is candlestick support resistance is what I normally trade on. Yes, OI can be against us at times, and OI would have a bigger view for the entire expiry. Okay, it is not mainly for the current day or the current time frame, right? Yeah, you should put the SL of 360. So if you want, yes, you should put the SL. So there can be some premium adjustment, some premium cutting, everything would be there because it's a sideways, mainly sideways market. Okay, and we are expecting a bounce in such a way that it might just be a short bounce, not a bigger one. Yeah, yeah, you can look. You can look even 5 minutes. But 5 minutes and 15 minutes are the only two things which you should be looking at. You should not go less than that. See, mainly it's making dojis in the small range. Okay. So if they use a breakout till here, 416, 420, that is more than enough for us, right? As an intraday trade or a 5 minutes, 15 minutes trade, I would not look for many more than this. Mm, yeah, you can keep 7088. I think that is fine. TCS is still not above uh, 05. Okay. See 04 पे अटक गया है वो, उसके ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है तो तब तक रुको. 05 के ऊपर ही बाई करो. इट्स नॉट अ ब्रेकआउट येट. देखिए TCS को ब्रेकआउट नहीं है. And Maruti, yes, it has gone below. So Maruti was a good shot actually. It was a golden trade on trend line again, something which is there in P1, right? Trend line broken, resisted and then fall. इसके लिए बोला ना मिस किया, इधर ही ट्रेड था वो, शॉर्ट करने का इधर था वो. हाँ, टॉप बॉटम, yes, yes, if you want it, you can do that, Saraf sir, that is fine. You are making around 15 to 18,000, you should be taken right now. And then don't take any position for some time. Then you have to only wait for the new system entry. So this is the last candle now, more 8 minutes for this here. It will depend whether it bounces over there or not because 7020 can be support or not will depend because right now this is acting as support and again it's also at 60 support. It's not broken 60 सराफ से कहाँ 60 तोड़ा मारुति ने 60 के ऊपर है so this is at support right now right now it needs to go above this. Hmm. You can enter long in Maruti with the low of that candle as stop loss as an intraday yes. But there are still 7 minutes to go. Okay, so wait for the candle. Do it around 28. 10:28 can be the time where you can enter into it. The extreme range would be still the same 26,000 and below 23,000. That can be the extreme range so far. It's right now also sideways only, it's not doing anything. Yeah, that is what it would be now, but I think that is the only range right now you can think of. Yes, there would be both sided movement and there would be volatility. So to avoid it, you should, you know, avoid this week at least. So ऊपर adjust करेगा. So let's see if there is going to be some momentum now because it's 10:30 towards 10:30 and we might see some movement. The system is with us so far. We are above 41. Let's see whether it supports us. ये अच्छा खासा प्रीमियम को कट कर दिया है इन लोगों ने अभी and that will happen because market is sideways. Okay, because Bank Nifty itself is moving in 20-25 points. So when that will happen, you will see correction in the premium. Time value will keep getting down. प्रीमियम कट करूंगा बेसिक हुआ। Now let's see if 10:30 gives a trigger, otherwise we will end the trade because it does not make sense to hold it also. There has to be a time stop loss as well. So if it does not hit the target or does not hit the stop loss, okay, after the two candles we have taken the trade, we adapt to something which is called as time stop loss and we stop the trade wherever it is. Because then it is gone into a sideways mode and it does not make sense. Because in options you need to understand one thing, time is going to be against us. Especially when you are buying options. Please, sir, it has been resisted is 510 right now. Let's see if Bank Nifty is able to cross 510. That is where it has been resisted, and on the call side it is around The buy price 385, right? So we need this to cross 385. Let's see if it now crosses 500 is there right now. Let's see if still able to cross it. The high of this was 505, and right now we also have the same high at the new candle. Trying to cross that 510, which is this level here. It's resisting at 500, and that is where we are getting trapped actually. Though the signal on this is very clear, it is above 40. It's remaining flat at that rate. ये 510 का आंकड़ा बढ़ गया, 510 पूरा तो ये भागेगा फटाफट. Then we give till at least 535, 545 on futures, and that will give us around 405, 410 on even calls. Hmm. The level that we are expecting to come is getting delayed for some reason. Hmm. So about 510 is what I'm expecting the market. And there should be one trigger at 10:30. If that is not pulling it up, then I think it will be sideways till Europe opens. So then it doesn't make sense. So indices has gone into a range bound of 25 to 30 points. Okay, so then it is very difficult to understand. It's mainly not the day for the buyers, but for the writers who have written it at a higher price and are getting the premium eroded. Yeah, RIS seems to be having 5 bar bullish divergence. The breakout of trend line should be traded, so maybe about 2080 should be bought with today's low as stop loss or this kind of low as stop loss. So it does has bullish divergence, 5 bar bullish divergence is there. The patience being tested in a trade which time has not triggered yet. It's still as per the system, it's in a buy zone only, and there is nothing wrong in it. The only thing is this, see the range in which the calls are still. A very, very small range. Very small range. And that's because even Bank Nifty has stayed in the same range. And into time test. Spot is actually not moving above 500.
20 MA range.
20 MA registered. Hmm. Yeah, closes around this level around 490, 495 levels on spot. We might see it touching 550 today. This is a chance, very very good chance that immediately will go and touch here. एक बार इधर तक आ सकता है अगर ये इसके ऊपर में लाल लाइन के ऊपर में क्लोज हुआ ना तो 500 पे रेजिस्ट करना उधर ही प्रॉब्लम है एक्चुअली. It should be able to close above 500. Hmm. Yes, but 80 to 81 कर रहा है, what the hell? Super trend is something which I don't believe to use because super trend is actually using RSI in background and it also uses first 15 minutes candlestick price. Okay, so normally I don't go for super trend, and at many a times I've seen in super trend, the stop loss is twice of the reward that it gives you, and then it starts, reducing the difference between them as the trend starts. So that is, very dangerous because when you are starting a trade, your risk is twice than the reward, and then it starts reducing it. So that's the reason why somewhere I'm not comfortable at all with super trend. Yeah, late entry and also I have not liked it because I know Saraf sir had done some R&D on it, and I was along with him. So the risk reward that I was seeing was not up to the mark. TCS download started to buy as soon as rise about. No, 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 no. Wait for it to cross 2705. 2705 is a very good resistance for attack. Stop. Good overtaking is a very good. Other 2708. So then I think 2711 is also one of the thing. Oh, भाई पूरी साइड पे अभी इसको जाने दो साइड पे आरबी चार्ट ओके this it's okay we can get it so intraday you can trade it sir intraday you can be traded intraday can be traded for 2720 or something is the stop loss as a target and there is another target of 2725. This is fine. Okay. So see here it is trying to differ. See, let it do a band walk. Okay. It is see ये dangerous है सरासर यही हम लोग बात करते हैं ना ये बैंड को ले लेके ऊपर जाएगा ना तो ये डेंजरस है ये कभी भी गिर जाएगा. Now this has also given us two candles. Now let's see what is it. So it is अरे 5 मिनट किसने डाला इसको. Now we can do a time stop loss also for this and exit the trade. This is the third candle now. And it's just doing premium cutting. Okay, so with the minimum price wherever we can get, I'm not able to move this one. क्या हो गया? So give it a 375, 10 rupees below what we entered. And I think it will go at that price very easily. क्या कर रहा है क्या रखूँ तू बताएगा क्या तो 370 तो फिर go with it. No, wait for the confirmation on the bearish divergence. Or you can short right now and continue with the short. You can do either. So 72 we booked the loss, 13 points, which is fair enough. Okay, so 650 rupees is what we lost in maximum in it. So because it's doing nothing but time, it is range bound, okay? And it does not make sense to hold something when there is a time stop loss. So time stop loss, the funda is very simple. You get out of your trade if it is not yielding anything to you at whatever price it is. So it was roaming around 70 to 73. I kept it at 70 to 75 was my initial price. But then I thought let it go at 72 also does not make sense. Okay, so that is fine. Okay, so 650 is the maximum loss we had. Okay, and now if it goes down also we are not bothered. Okay, but my view is it will still say in the CC 61, I have 54. It would have hit the stop loss also. So good to get out, right? टाइम स्टॉप लॉस कभी कभी अच्छा सा बचा भी लेता है अपने को. So that funda of time stop loss is actually there for us for helping us to get out of the trade if it is not easy. So इसमें अपने direction में भी जा सकता था, okay? But then we should not bother much. Asian Paint is just sleeping, yes. Asian Paint on a long term is bearish because we had seen bearish divergence there. The only thing is, Amar sir, you have to wait for the army to break 40. Because we are looking for a positional trade, see this. RP is at 40 support and lower band. हाँ सर. हाँ. हाँ. चलेगा. हाँ. हाँ. नहीं 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 नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता है. हम लोग ने तो पर्सनल अकाउंट छोड़ के बेटे के अकाउंट में भी ट्रांसफर करवाया है. तो दैट इज फाइन. हाँ, तो आपका दोनों का साइन करना पड़ेगा. जॉइंट है ना, तो आपको दोनों को साइन करके वो मेरे को इंस्ट्रूमेंट भेजना है. हाँ. हाँ. नहीं चलेगा, वो चलेगा. उसमें आपको खाली नीचे डीमेट डिटेल्स खाली डालना है. तो जो मैंने आपको दिखा ना, आपके साइन के ऊपर में जो पार्ट है ना, उसमें आपने को डीपीआईडी लिखना है. किसके नाम पे है वो सिंगल नाम भी चलेगा. उसमें देयर इज नो टेंशन. यस यस चलेगा. हाँ हाँ ओके बोल दो, चलेगा चलेगा सर. हाँ, मैं आपको एड्रेस देता हूँ, कुरियर कर दीजिए मुझे. हमारे एड्रेस में कौन कर सकते. ओके. ज़्यादा गिरा नहीं है लेकिन देखो अपना स्टॉप लॉस लेके ही होता है. हाँ सर, मैं आपको अपना मेरा एड्रेस भेज देता हूँ अभी. हाँ मैं अभी कर देता हूँ सर. ओके. ओके. Hmm. Hmm. This is right now, Amar sir, it can be traded. The only thing is let RB also break 40. See, RB is around 39. As it starts dialogue on army, I think it will also start with our trade as well on the long term trade. You can do that as well. It is still in the same range. अब देखो ये 75 के यहाँ पे ये 375 380 रहता था, अभी ये 368 हो गया. This is what it is doing. It's just doing premium adjustments. That's it. इसके लिए वो टाइम स्टॉप लॉस का फंडा मेनली इट शुड बी देयर फॉर ओनली फॉर ऑप्शंस तो होना ही चाहिए वो, क्योंकि ऑप्शंस में टाइम इज अगेंस्ट अस. See, L&T is also dangerous because it is moving like this along with the band. Band को ले लेके जा रहे थे, कभी भी गिरेगा ना तो एक बैंड की रेजिस्टेंस से गिरेगा. बैंड के ऊपर रहता था ना तो इट वाज अ गुड बाय. आई वुड नॉट बाय समथिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, ये पिक्चर बहुत डरावना है, बट इफ यू सी समथिंग, यहाँ पे तो कभी किसी किया ही नहीं जिंदगी में, कभी बैंड की है हाँ सी. अगर ये ऐसा कुछ है तो ये ठीक है. ओके, बैंड के ऊपर चलता है तो आपको मिलता है. यहाँ पे क्या है, इट इज वॉकिंग विद इन द बैंड एंड ट्राइंग टू पुश द बैंड अप. ओके, लेकिन एक लेवल पे बैंड उसको नीचे धक्का मार देगा. और अभी भी बेरिस डाइवर्जेंस जो है, ये देखो, ये कैंडल और ये कैंडल का आरएसआई और ये कैंडल का आरएसआई भी नीचे है, और अभी तो प्रॉपर आउटसाइड इनसाइड भी है. ओके, सो ये पूरा बॉलिंजर बैंड स्ट्रेटेजीज अलॉन्ग विद आरएसआई है. ओके, विच इज अगेन कवर्ड इन द 2 days program of Simple Indicators. So this is again, looking at dangerous and can have a fall actually. And मैं जो भी तभी भी बोला था, शॉर्ट करने के लिए 59 का स्टॉप लॉस होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये जो दिन का हाई है ये क्रॉस नहीं कर पाएगा ये. So Hero MotoCorp is almost at our target 3011. Okay, our target is 3000. The short is working good. See, this is a beautiful band walk. See this. ऐसा बैंड वॉक रहना चाहिए था, या तो ऊपर में या तो नीचे में, तो अपना मस्त काम होता है. Maruti can be shorted actually. It's the first bearish range shift. Look at this. So place it at 80. If it goes, uh, stop loss is going to be 7095. 77 चल रहा था बेटा, ऐसा करेगा बच्चे की जान लेगा. 3 विकेट तो ऐसे ही उछल के गिरते जाता है. क्या क्या थोड़ा ऊपर गया. मजाक चल रहा है अपना से. Let it be. Let it be there. We'll wait for it. Okay? कि कभी भी ट्रेड लेने के लिए घुसो मत. आपका जो प्राइस है वो प्राइस तक आने दो, बिकॉज यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, कि आपका एक रिस्क कैपिटल है, वो रिस्क कैपिटल के बियॉन्ड जाके ट्रेड नहीं लेना है. अगर ये 80 का भी 70 हो गया या 65 हो गया तो ट्रेड लेने के लिए कूदो मत, बिकॉज आपका स्टॉप लॉस 95 ही रहने वाला है. आप 65 पे शॉर्ट करो, 70 पे करो या 80 पे करो. ओके, सो यू हैव टू वेट फॉर योर थिंग. ओके, अपना गलती कि मैंने थोड़ा लेट देखा, नहीं तो आप ऑलमोस्ट 80 के आसपास में ही शॉर्ट हो जाता था ये. Okay, but that is fine. You can wait for your price to come, and if it is bound to happen, it will come. Don't worry. See, it started to fall and now below 20 mm. So this was the actual rationale for this trade because it was at resistance on moving average as well as on RSI. Okay, and also it resisted this line. See again, ये सब lines अगर आपका पहले से draw किया हुआ है, which have been taught either in the first training, which is simply advanced technicals, or if you do intraday trading with us, intraday which is on 8th of November. Okay, so if you do this training also, where we teach you how to trade on 5 minutes and 15 minutes, this would be available because we help you draw the lines on charts so that you can draw them yourself when you are trading independently. Because at my resistance, my RSI resistance, that is what gives me the confidence to short it at this level. बात अलग है, अब तक ट्रेड आया नहीं है, but if it comes, we can short it at those levels.
निफ्टी अपना भाव आ गया,
निफ्टी अपना भाव आ गया, अरे तेरी तो मतलब बाई ट्रिगर हो गया और बाई में भाव भी आ गया अपना। अरे ये भी अपना भाव आ
DNF
गया, DNF भी
DNF
अपना भाव आ गया। वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, वो उधर ही टाइम पास कर रहा है, बट सी बिकॉज ये अभी ऐसे फॉर्म में है ना कि ये किधर भी जा सकता है। सो टाइम स्टॉप लॉस इज इंडिपेंडेंट, यू शुड सी उसने स्टॉप लॉस भी लिया और फिर ऊपर भी आ गया, तो इट्स मोर बेटर दैट टाइम स्टॉप लॉस शुड बी देयर। सी एक फंडामेंटल आपको समझना जरूरी है कि आपने 15 मिनट को देख के ट्रेड लिया है तो 30 मिनट्स 40 मिनट्स में वो 1 2 3 हो जाना चाहिए। अगर वो नहीं हुआ तो आप कर दो, क्योंकि ऑप्शंस में टाइम आपके अगेंस्ट में है, वो एक बात समझना जरूरी है। ओके, सो दैट इज द मेन रीजन व्हाई आई स्क्वाड इट अप। नहीं तो 360 पे जाता था हमारा, तो 372 पे गया। ओके, नहीं तो 360 पे जाता था कि अभी भी वो 40 के ही सपोर्ट पे वहाँ पे ही घूम रहा है। ओके, अभी भी रलचा तो वही रहा है, लेकिन नाउ वेट फॉर द ब्रेकआउट। ओके, दिस इज अ गुड ब्रेकआउट स्पॉट, बाय ओनली अबाउट दिस लेवल्स। ओके, एंड लेट इट गो। ये 410 से 450 और फटाक से ले जाए इधर तक, और ये यहाँ से बाहर निकलने के लिए 4 कैंडल 5 कैंडल उसने ले ली है। तो दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग, दैट विल बी अ रेंज बाउंड टिल इट डज नॉट ब्रेक दिस। और ट्रिगर पॉइंट्स है नॉर्मली 10 15 एंड 10 30, वो दोनों नहीं कर पाए तो अभी कोई कुछ नहीं करेगा। टिल यूरोप ओपन्स आई थिंक इट विल रिमेन साइडवेज एंड जस्ट मूव अराउंड। ठीक है, so I think it's 11. We can close this here. For the paid subscriber users, we'll meet again tomorrow. Okay, and let's see how it goes. Okay.
थैंक यू।
Welcome. टाइम एज इज सेम, 15 मिनट का अगर आपने किया है तो वही हिसाब से रखना है। हाँ सर। हाँ हाँ